What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a Google Sheets tutorial video. I haven't done like a proper Google Sheets video. I've done all of them. Yeah, I've done all of them except I've done forms in June. I've done slides. I've done Google Slides. I've done Google Forms. Google. I've done parts to. I did videos of Google Docs, and I did do. I didn't really do a full video on Google Sheets, and probably the most hardest one and most confusing one is probably Google Sheets. So today this video is going to be how to create a pie chart and how to make it work. Because what I always found hard is like how to make it work and like all that blah blah blah, the data and stuff. So let's just get started with this video, because this is going to be the full video that since June 2020 that I've done. So it's been about like 9 months. So let's just get started with this. I'm talking too much, but this is the proper Google slides video. Not slides, forms. Yeah, Google Forms, which is kind of like well, I spelled that completely wrong. You do. Let's do like you choose. I'm so sorry. Statistics Rupert C, which is my channel. So first thing you want to do is, I'm sorry, you can just skip to this bit now. First thing you want to do is click on Insert, and then you want to click on Chart. Now here's your chart, and it says no data on it at first. So this is the part where you have to add your data. So for example, if you wanted, let's do like for example my total channel views and subscribers. So if I did like for A1 I did like views, and then I put underneath it, like something like maybe percentage, like what, 50%, something like that, and already it's shown as like a graph like this. But we're gonna making like a chart, not like that. So what you want to do, go on chart type, and probably the most recommended I probably would say is probably these pie charts, either the donut chart or the pie chart. So I'm just gonna do the pie chart for today. You can do whatever you want with it, it doesn't actually really matter. So now you got your views thing here, so it's 50% there, and then what you would do, you could put here like channel total views, maybe you could do that. So that's gonna be what it's named. So when it shows up with 50%, that's what it's gonna say. So now we're gonna go to A3 and going to be doing subscribers. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to do it there. So let's put like I don't know. Let's just make like 30. Let's put like, because I have 34 subscribers, and it's already done basically the percentage for us right here. And then we should put, so total chat, and then so now where you put subscribers in column B3, and yeah, that's what you do for that, and it's already made your pie chart what it looks like. So what you want to do, if you want to, you can change the color of each slice. So I'm just gonna leave it to like red or something like that, just simple. And and now I am going to put one more last thing. So, most viewed video. Okay. Oh, sorry. okay, I need to put the like most viewed video. What is actually the most viewed video on my channel actually? Most popular. Ruby Traded Margot, 501 views. That's insane. Thanks for the views, guys, by the way. I did leave credits to the person who did make this video, so please make sure to check them down below. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing. So now we're gonna do. So we've got 501, and then we're gonna put like most. Oh, spell it wrong. Most viewed video. Okay. So that's gonna be our data. For it to gonna be put in. So now what you want to do is, you see this data range here. This is the range that your data goes for. So it goes from like A1 views, and then, for example, if you wanted to like create another pie chart that doesn't abide to the same data, look. So it's very hard to explain, but because my head's getting muddled up from this, but what you want to do, it sets it up for you. So once you did the pie chart thing, look, it goes on suggested and then pie chart here, and then your title from up there turned on to here. I think I probably spelled views wrong. No, I actually didn't spell views wrong. Okay, so oh yeah, okay, so it's not fully correct because it needs to as the other stuff, so as otherwise it won't work. So you see, as it says A1 to here, A to 1 here, which is this views and then all the numbers and the percentages and whatever. What we want to do now is click add another range, and this is going to basically add another range so your data can get put into the same pie chart, and then it can be made into just one pie chart. So this is probably the most confusing bit, but what you want to do is you want to go, let's do B. So B2, oh, you have to add capitals, by the way, otherwise, what the hell? Oh, I didn't have caps lock on. I had like something else on, whatever it was. So B2, oh, I'm really bad at this. B2 to B4. So you want to do that, and you don't need to add the colon there. And let's see what happens. So it might not show now, but let's see. Look, yeah, exactly, right here. So this is basically what it's like. This is how it works. So the data, so it might not work exactly when you click OK for your data range. You have to go onto chart type and then click on the suggested, as it shows you how to do it. Like, it shows you your percent. It like Google Sheets provides it for you. So they just like work out, and they're like, okay, this will be what it's like. So after you put in the data range here, you could just go on to suggested. And so I don't know. I think I did probably the data range wrong, as look, actually, yeah, I think I did it wrong. Yeah, A1 to A4, yeah, but okay. Oh, it needs to be B2. I'm really clumsy, guys. It's B2 instead because there's nothing on B1. So make sure to watch out for that. Otherwise, I'm really clumsy and I could just do stupid stuff like that. So that's definitely this bit doesn't work, probably because it's just because it's the percentage compared to the other one. So let's put like 50 instead of no, I don't want super percentage anymore. Let's put 50 instead. And yeah, exactly. This is how it works. This is how it works now. So you can't mix up the percentage with the pie chart, well, with the same with all the numerical numbers that are not percentage. So yeah, that's really how you do it. That's how you make a simple pie chart like that. If you like were using this for work, which it kind of abides with the same as Excel of Google Sheets. It just maybe it's definitely different layouts than it, but it works the same. So this is how to make a simple pie chart, and I got my head wrapped around it. I got my head confused. I was like, once when I was learning to use Google Sheets, I was just like, this whole data thing, I was like, oh my god, what is this? And I don't obviously use Google Sheets that much, because I just don't use it really that much. Most thing I use is probably Google Docs, as I use it that like almost every day. So yeah, I don't use Google Sheets that often, but it's very useful to store your data, and they have Google Forms, which is really cool as well. Slides is really good as well. I'm not saying Microsoft stuff are bad; they're all good, because I don't want to get in trouble. But everything's good; they're all good. So that is how to make a pie chart from scratch on Google Sheets, and probably works the same format as Excel. So yeah, that's how you really do it, and you can obviously customize everything else. That you can change your numbers from this, and there you go. And then it's just like subscribers and channel total views. But you could put like 10%, 10 from most viewed video, and that's how your channel views. So let's say you had like 15 people at a party, and then like you had those like 5 people that had blue shirts, and then 10 people that had red shirts, and then 15 people that had yellow shirts. Exactly like that. So, or whatever, like just whatever you do, but you must remember to put it in different columns. And obviously if you're making a bigger one than this, a bigger like chart, then really this is all it takes to make a pie chart. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. You can add everything, like you can do much more. If you want me to do more of these videos, then please just like and subscribe, because thank you for literally 501 views on this video. I never knew that I would ever get that many views on just a trash video. Like literally it was a trash video. So thank you guys so much for that, and maybe in the next video we could do something about like the function button, about all this, because this all confuses me as well. But the pie chart thing is confusing as well, so I got your head wrapped around that. If you want another Google Sheets video about that, and how to like use the functions and sum, average, count, all that stuff that I'll learn in the future, and I'll make a video about it, I'll do that in the next video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. I'm really annoying because I keep saying that, but have a nice day and goodbye.